Video learning objects, or VLOs, draw you into the language and culture you are studying in a unique way by presenting segments of television programs and films produced by and for native speakers.
Ngabe ngivuse?
Sabasemakhaya thina sivuka kusembondo sankomo.
VLOs are designed to work on a variety of devices so that they can be used on the go or in the comfort of your home or office. VLOs provide cultural, historical, and linguistic context to help you understand their content on a deeper level. Supplemental materials enable you to check your comprehension and learn up-to-date slang and colloquial language. VLOs also offer a target language transcript and an English translation as additional tools for improving your understanding. You can even keep learning about topics addressed in the segments through links to external resources. VLOs are just one of many products designed by the National Foreign Language Center to help you gain a deeper understanding of the world's cultures and languages. Browse our entire catalog at portal.nflc.umd.edu.